Look at this hairline. Baby, she is glueless. Look. I need to say thank you to Beauty Forever Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video, because that's where this wig came from. This wig on my head is the Bye Bye Knots 7x5 pre-everything Kinky Curly glueless wig with invisible knots. This wig is specifically the 7x5 Bye Bye Knots Kinky Edge wig. It is 20 inches long and 180% density. When you pop the hood on this wig, you can see that this wig comes with combs inside. It also comes with adjustable straps in the back with a silicone backing, so it's able to stick to the back of the neck. It also comes with a piano key elastic band that is removable with also single silicone on the inside, so it stays attached. It also comes with a C-shaped ear design, so it fits comfortably around the ear, so it's super duper comfortable to wear. And it also comes with a pre-plucked hairline and pre-cut lace, babe. You're supposed to be able to throw this wig on and go. Now that's what we're gonna be testing out today. This is supposed to be just a put on and go wig, girl. You're supposed to be able to put it on and go. We're gonna take this girl on a test drive, girl. Rev these engines up, girl. We also are gonna do a couple styles with this wig because we want to see how versatile she is. Can she take a curve, girl? Can she ride on them two wheels on the side? Y'all get in the passenger seat. Let's take this thing for a test drive. So if you want to see how I customized this wig and what I did to make this wig look like this, please keep on watching, and I'll be back at the very end with my final thoughts and our natural baby hairs. Go ahead and do the actual hair. Now they quickly trim the bottom. Boom. And I'm gonna slide do it again. Just as well, because I want more of a round shape. That to be like a round shape. So I'm just gonna, just a little bit shorter in the front part. But I think that's basically it. This is the shape I was going for. There you go. Mousse, right? And I just squirt it into the hair. Now this mousse I've watered down. It's like 30 to 50% water, and the rest of it is the mousse. Hair is detangled and clumped, and then I'll come back to blow dry and we'll get those finished. Look, this hairline, baby, she is glueless. Look. Oh, girl, almost snatched up that baby hair. But we need to do a couple styles with this wig, so I'm gonna work out a couple of styles. We'll try them out, and then we'll be back with our final thoughts. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get into these styles. But before we get into these styles, I'm just gonna let y'all know they do have a back to school sale going on. So you mamas out there that need to throw on your wig to drop your kids off, this is really the time to go ahead and pick up a unit. Now, let's go ahead and start with figuring out what these styles are gonna be. So I'm gonna part out some of the hair on the top. Y'all know I love a good tendril on the top, like a good tendry, gracing the face, kissing the forehead. But I decided this time I wanted to pull it all back because I wanted to see what this wig was working with, and baby, she did not disappoint. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this hair all up. Look how cute that is. Like, it looks so good. Again, this is glueless. It looks amazing. I could have pulled a little bit more off the side because, you know, I was showing a little track, but sometimes it's a little keeper. It's a little style for you. Come on, track. You really can't see the track at all. The way I've styled this wig and the way that this lace looks on the forehead, you're able to do so many updos and styles that it's really, really easy to treat this like this is your own hair. Now, the next style is the last style, girl. I tried to do a bun. I cut that out. I tried to do a bun, babe. It won't work out because this hair is too short to do a bun at the top, or it's too curly to do the bun. But either way, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this hair back. Like, this is giving on the go, girl. I need to go ahead and get this hair out my face before it sticks to my foundation. Yes, ma'am. Look how cute that is. And look how pretty it looks from the back. Y'all tell me which one of these styles is your favorite. Now let's go ahead and get into our final thoughts and close out this video. What do y'all think? Which one was your favorite style? Go ahead and tell me now. I feel like mine, y'all can go ahead and say with me, half up, half down. All in all, I absolutely love this wig. All together, this wig eats it up. Bye Bye Knots wigs, sometimes they're not all created equal, okay? Some of them take a little bit more work than others. This one, baby, little lace tint, baby hairs, little mousse, she ready to go. Look at that hairline, like look Look at how amazing this looks. The curls are defined and so soft. I don't know why this hair dried fast. I think it was my mousse, but it dried really, really fast. So I was able to get to styling and stuff really, really quick. Let's go ahead and get into the final thoughts on this wig. Now, first, let's talk about the claims that this Bye Bye Knots wig is super duper easy. Like, you can plop her on and go. The only issue that I had with this was that the lace was too light. With this wig, all I had to do was lace tint, and that's it. The knots are bleached, but not too much. Like, some of them you can still kind of see the black dots, but not too much. The bleaching is enough. Like, you can still see the dots, especially on the kinky edges, but not enough where you can call me out. And if you can, you're too close, girl. I'm calling her out. All together, I think this wig is stunning. I love it. Now, you can definitely choose to do the one without kinky edges, but I'm gonna choose kinky edges every single. Look at those edges. Like, what are we having a conversation about? The edges eat every single time. Y'all let me know what you think down below. I want to say thank you again to Beauty Forever Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. I will leave a link for this unit down below. I also will leave a coupon code down below because, of course, you're gonna get some money off when it comes to me, girl. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Wait, what was that? There was a skip. Bye.